Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Watermark Ghost Tour. I am your tour guide for tonight, Saggy Boots. All right, let's have some fun, shall we? Barrel falls over, brandy trickles out, everyone screams and runs. Not because the brandy trickled out, but because out with the brandy, out slid a slimy, pale, ashen, very well bound up, slightly purple sailor lad. If you get a chance to come back and see little old me, once the calendar turns to October, you get to actually go in this house and hear from Watermark tour guides about some of the ghosties that live in this house. Every so often I come here, dressed as I am, with this very same lantern, and I look up into that window. And she's there, with her own candle, looking back at me. And you've been doing this as long as I have, as often as I have. You grow attached to these stories. Sometimes they'll grow attached to you.